Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at the datetime function. The datetime function helps extract the current date and time. So here we go. So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to do today, then the rules, and lastly the program. Today we'll be looking at extracting the date and time from your laptop. And for that we'll need to use the datetime function. The datetime is a function in Python which helps extract date and time. Datetime also needs to be imported in order to be used. So here in my program I've set it from datetime import date and import time. Then I'm saying, so when I run this, it says that today's date and the time, and that's the actual time right now. So over here it's saying current date is equal to date.today. Then I'm saying print date passed as argument is current date. So current date is today's date. And then t is equal to time.local time. And then current time is equal to t.strf time. Then here I've set %h, then %m, and %second, comma time. So t is local time, so the current time, and then I'm printing the current time. So let's look at the date first. Right. So now in the date, it says that current date is date.today. So that basically means that I'm extracting today's date. Then I'm saying print date passed as argument is, but we can change that. We can change this to, let's say, right, now when I run this, so today's date is 15/12/2021, which means 15th of December 2021. Then, so that's the date, and I had to import it from datetime. Next, I can just right. So now I've said t is equal to time.local time, and then I'm saying current time is equal to time.strf time. So basically what will happen if I don't write this current time, and if I just print t, then what will happen is this time.construct, and it does a lot of things which can get very confusing for a normal user, which is why we need to keep it like that, and we need to print current time. And also I had to put these percentage signs because this won't work if I don't put them like that. So it just says H:(M:)S. That's why I need these percentage signs here. Right, and then I'm printing current time. But if I just take local time away, then I won't have anything to write over here, because I'll have taken away the local time, and without the local time I won't be able to print it, which is why I need that to be able to, which is why I need time.local time to be able to print the actual time.